Good afternoon, ladies and gents. How's everyone going? Yeah, I'm in the Peugeot and wow, it is filthy. Thank you very much. I, right now, have a socket here. Ooh, fits on perfectly. Right. This is the steering wheel I had to put on, and because the other steering wheel I did have was cracked from two places, and yeah, thankfully to my friend Thomas, much appreciated, brother, love for that. Yeah, I've got a new steering wheel for it and I'll show you lot in a moment. So, steering lock's on, and just going to loosen that off, because you can end up nutting yourself in the face, which I don't want to do. So that's a bit loose. Just give it a wee wiggles. I'll do it properly. Right, steering wheel's loose. I need to straighten it up. There we go, straight. So literally just noticed I shouldn't have put that on just yet, because I need to get the nut on to there to tighten it up. So I'm going to take this back off. Now that's nice and tight on there, I've got to put this bad boy onto here. Right, I've got that all bolted up, and here we go. Here's the new wheel. What a beauty. I've put the steering lock on, but yeah, oh my, that's lovely. Nice little security feature as well.